something that I see for people getting into kettlebells, and it's usually people that are really, well, they're really focused and they want to do their best, and that's absolutely wonderful. That's great. But the problem that I see is they follow so many accounts, mine included, and they spend so much time filming themselves and putting their movements out there and then taking feedback. Well, here's an issue with this. You can only change so much at a certain rate, and taking in so much feedback all the time and trying to apply it to what you're doing is only going to cause, I consider it, exercise anxiety. While you might not feel it, your brain is constantly taking in so many cues and trying to better things. Let say you take one tip to better your kettlebell press every day. We haven't even had time to apply it to what you're doing. Like, there's a couple accounts that I follow, you know, they've purchased programs and they've asked for help, and I've given help. I like to help as much as I can. But at the same time, a lot of times I tell people, you got to stop worrying and just do, okay? Once again, there's so much information out on the internet. It's, even for myself, at the level that I am, it is overwhelming. And then you got to think about not just the amount of information, the marketing tactics and things that people are jockeying for position to get it to be seen by you, okay? So it's not even the fact that there's a lot of information. A lot of times that really, really good information gets covered up by what's not so good just because of their, well, let's just use influencing, like influencers versus coaches. There's people that have 1 million followers that have less than a year of kettlebell experience. To me, that's absolutely atrocious. That people are fine. Don't get me wrong, they may be great at other things they do. They're probably super lean, they're sex sells, all that stuff. They got your attention, they have all the marketing, but the information that they're putting out. And then you have large companies that share that because their reach is going to get bigger by sharing another large, you see how it goes. Anyway, so the information, the really, really good information gets kind of watered down. And there are reasons why I will not share every single client or every single person that tags me in a video, unless I'm going to give constructive criticism, but I don't have that much time for all that. The thing is, there's so many places that share every single thing that someone tags them with. So you're going to see a high-level person get followed by a person that's touched a kettlebell for 3 weeks, back to back. So what are you, a person that's trying to learn, see from that? Okay, you're getting incredibly experienced and then not experienced. But that's still coming in. That's still information to your brain. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is pick a few really, really good information sources. Stick to them. Stick to them for a while. Before you even try to change anything, go for a few weeks. Heck, go for a couple months. If it's not hurting you, it's not hurting others around you, chances are that you're doing fine, okay? Now, there is no world championship competition kettlebell swinging, so stop worrying about how perfect your kettlebell swing can be, and just do it in a way that's going to help you reach your goal without getting injured, okay? That's the biggest thing. And once again, take your time. Nobody built an incredible physique. Nobody built an incredible endurance energy system in a short time. These things take years. When people watch me snatch, now, granted, I've been doing kettlebell snatch for a very long time, over 10 years. I really don't focus 100% at all on kettlebell sport. It is just something that I really enjoy, and it's not the only thing I focus on. If I focused only on kettlebell sport, I would be a totally different body. Everything would be different, okay? But that's the thing, you gotta pick and choose. You're gonna get some good stuff, but I like being, I don't want to say kettlebell sport athletes aren't strong, it's not that, but I want to be a general, overall, all sorts of good stuff. So hopefully this helps you.